Hey there. So I want to show you how to build a board view or a Kanban board view from any Notion database. So one key thing about this is make sure that at least one of your columns is a status column. Let's go ahead and jump over to what the final product would look like. That's key to have that status column because in this instance, that's how we're going to be grouping. You can see the statuses here, such as new discovery, negotiation, so on and so forth. So be sure in your database before we get started that you have that data type. And if you do, let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna press the plus button there. Let's go empty view, select board. Since we're gonna be grouping by deal stage in this instance, let's call it by deal stage 2. Okay, that's good for now. Let's go to properties and personal preference here, but let's say I want account owner, deal value, and priority level to be present on each of these cards. Next, let's go to group. Let's give it some color. Okay, last thing for you. This digit here, I'd like to click that. More options, sum, deal value. So now the number value we have associated to each of these rows within your database will be aggregated and you'll see the total here up top. So now for the cool part, when we're moving from discovery to the next stage in this sales pipeline, click, drag, drop, and you'll see the total update up top. And that's Kanban boards or board views in Notion. Cheers.